Hello friends and welcome to Parks Crafty Creations. I'm your host Brian Parks. I'm so glad you're here today because we're sewing one of my favorite beginner projects, the famous Burrito Pillowcase. This is such a fun and fast project, and once you learn it, you'll want to make one for every bed in your house, and maybe even a few as gifts. Before we dive in, here's what you'll need to make your own burrito-style pillowcase. Your main fabric, 27 inches by the width of your fabric. Cuff fabric at 11 inches by the width of your fabric. And an accent strip, 2 inches, also by the width of your fabric. You'll also need your standard sewing supplies, such as a rotary cutter, scissors, iron, pins or clips, and of course your sewing machine. Once we have all of our fabric pieces cut to length, we'll press them flat. Then we'll fold our accent fabric in half lengthwise and press. Now we'll start laying out our fabrics. Place your cuff fabric right side up. Then layer your accent fabric right side up on top of that, aligning the top raw edges. Now here's the trick. We're going to place our main fabric face down with the raw edge lined up with our raw edges of our cuff and accent fabric. Now comes the fun part. Roll up your main fabric just like a burrito. Just keep rolling until it's down near the middle of the cuff. Then take the bottom edge of the cuff fabric and bring it up and over the roll, pinning or clipping everything together along that raw edge. Now we'll take it over to the sewing machine. We're going to sew straight across this edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Go slow and make sure all those layers stay even. Once that's sewn, reach inside one end of the burrito and start pulling your main fabric out of the roll. It's sewing magic. You'll be left with a beautifully enclosed cuff. No raw edges. Give it a good press to flatten that seam and set your stitches. Now we're going to fold our pillowcase in half, wrong sides together, matching the side and bottom raw edges. We're going to give the edge a French seam to encase all of the raw edges for us for a clean finish. Sew down the side and bottom with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Then turn the pillowcase inside out. Press the seam flat and stitch again with a 3/8 inch seam allowance to encase everything. Give your pillowcase a final press, and you're done. And that's it! Your burrito pillowcase is finished. Wasn't that fun? These are great for beginners, and they make perfect handmade gifts. If you sewed along with me today, I'd love to see your finished project. Tag me over on Instagram at Parks Crafty Creations. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell icon so you'll always be notified whenever a new video drops. And hey, while you're at it, if you love what we do here, don't forget to share us with your friends. Thanks for sewing with me. I'm Brian Parks for Parks Crafty Creations. We'll see you next time.